This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get all stash weapons in Cyberpunk. These special items are often iconic, offering unique advantages in combat. Many are automatically added to your stash after specific actions, while others require careful searching. We will cover the best strategies to ensure you collect every single one, making your V the most formidable mercenary in Night City. Get ready to expand your arsenal. Most iconic weapons are acquired by completing various quests throughout the game. Pay close attention to both main story missions and side jobs, as many offer these valuable rewards. Additionally, some iconic weapons are found in specific, often hidden, locations across Night City. Always remember to thoroughly loot defeated unique enemies, as they frequently drop their signature weapons, adding them to your growing collection. Let's look at a few examples. The Skippy Smart Pistol can be found in Haywood, Vista del Rey, offering a unique AI companion. The Satori Katana is available on the rooftop during the heist mission, a crucial early game item. You can also acquire Johnny Silverhand's Malorian Arms 3516 during the Chip-In Inquest. Always keep an eye out for these special finds. Your apartment stash wall is a fantastic way to track your progress, proudly displaying all the iconic weapons you have collected. Remember, the stash is conveniently accessible in all your apartments and safe houses across Night City. To ensure you don't miss anything, always thoroughly explore mission areas and make sure to pick up every unique item. Some weapons even depend on specific dialogue choices during quests.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.